Warning, the cryptocurrency market is looking bearish after the Fed comments that it's going to raise interest rates. And Bitcoin is following a fresh US stock dive as analysts expect Bitcoin price to go to 37,500. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you even more breaking cryptocurrency news, as well as the ultimate crypto exit plan and how you can win big with cryptocurrency, especially altcoins. And this is all even if the market is going down. So if you like altcoins and multiplying your money with crypto, smash up that like button to a new all-time high. Let's get this video to 5,000 likes. If we do so within the first 24 hours, I will do a massive giveaway for our community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe, and every single day I make videos teaching you how to make money with cryptocurrency. So if you like money and you like crypto, click the subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell to be notified every single day when I come out with these new videos. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please know that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. And full disclosure, I do own some of the cryptocurrencies that I will be discussing in this video. All right, let's get right into today's video. Now, before I share with you this crypto outlook, I want to share with you the Bitcoin price. It is actually going down, and I could see us falling all the way down right around this 38 to 37.5 mark. We do need to hold this line of support though. This is very, very critical. Also, for more time-sensitive details and alerts, make sure to follow only my verified Twitter here at Joe Parys, as well as my only official Instagram account at Joe Parys. No spaces, no underlines, just my name. And make sure to click on the Instagram stories. This is where you can see testimonials, also new YouTube videos, as well as much more behind the scenes lifestyle. And you even get to ask me your questions. You can see right here, this is where you can ask me your questions, and I will do my best to answer as many as possible. And for more breaking news and updates, make sure to follow me over on Twitter. More short form content is coming very soon. But let's dive right into today's news. Typically, I don't do a whole lot of news on our channel. We do share new altcoins, new opportunities, and new projects. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some news quickly. Also, a few altcoins that I do have on my radar, as well as a couple of NFT projects that I've been sharing with you, some updates there, because some of these are actually going up, which is kind of crazy to think, because Bitcoin and kind of the rest of the market is going down, but there's always kind of an opportunity here, and that's what I really want to share with you. But Bitcoin is retesting $40,000 after stocks sell off. And it's really important to not only be looking at the crypto market, but we do need to take an overarching look in the entire world global market. And right now you can see here, we have seen a very nice sharp decline ever since we hit right around this $43,000 mark again. And again, we did get this bounce. So I shared with you a couple days ago that this was a trap. Right around this 40,000, this was a trap. We went back up to 43,000. This could be a trap. And what I really want to share with you in today's video is that if you have a long-term perspective, this is where you don't plan on exiting the market tomorrow. This is where I believe Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies will go much higher than they are today, but you have to zoom out. And that is what I really want to share with you here in today's video, is that all of the success that I've personally had with altcoins, all of the massive big gains, the 5x, 10x, 50x's, all of that, majority have taken years to build. Okay, so Bitcoin's down 3,000 today as the US stock market plunges, and I do think that we could be in some bearish times here. In fact, I wanted to share with you a clip from Crypto Crew University. Big shout out to him, as he has some excellent technical analysis, and there are a few things in the chart that have me worried short term. Let me share with you what he had to say.
Price targets. So we mentioned the next major move it's not a guarantee, but these patterns, the high majority break to the downside. Now, when you're inside of this pattern, you should not trade the pattern until the pattern is confirmed, all right? So this is either gonna break to the upside or the downside.
So as you can see, we are in this ascending channel and we have not really made a decision yet. Are we going to go above the channel or are we going to go below? Bitcoin for the last few months has just been ranging up and down in this channel. Now, like Crypto Crew University said, there is a larger probability that we do go down. However, this is never a guarantee. And what he did say is that we should not do anything until something is confirmed. So So right now, we're still getting a lot of different mixed signals, and this is where I am still holding on to a majority of my cryptocurrency coins. And I will be sharing with you new time-sensitive details and alerts and updates as soon as we have them. Make sure to join us here as a paratrooper, smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on any of these updates. But I just wanted to share right now, we're in kind of this weird kind of zone where we don't know just quite yet. But what do we know? We know that Twitter and Stripe roll out a USDC payout program for creators via Polygon. To me, this is massive news for Polygon. And here is what Stripe had to say on their official Twitter. They're introducing crypto payouts. And this is where creators, freelancers, sellers, and solopreneurs who are building and creating all over the world will be able to be paid out in cryptocurrency using the layer 2 solution Polygon. Now, even with this news, Polygon has not moved very much today. It had a nice little move up a little bit, but you can see it has dropped slightly back down. And again, this is where if you just take a look at the chart, Polygon certainly can go up, down, and it could definitely come all the way back down here to the 70-80 cents mark. And in the worst case scenario, in my opinion, I believe the 30 to 50 cent mark right here, we have some support, and that would be approximately 80 to 90% from its all-time highs. But the reason why I'm sharing this article with you is to show you that there is still so much happening today, even in a bear market. I think that we are in a bear market right now, or at minimum, a bear trend. However, this is where the opportunities are. Most people have forgot about Bitcoin. They're not talking about it anymore. In fact, the views on this channel and virtually every other YouTuber's channel are down significantly. And this is where if you stick around in the bear market and you do your research and you actually persist through this and you actually keep paying attention, this is where you can find some incredible gains. Now, I want to share with you one other altcoin and one other NFT project in this video, and then give you, because you've been patient all the way at the end, a crypto exit strategy to help you determine whether or not you should be buying or selling your cryptocurrency at this time. In fact, I've kind of already hinted at it, but stay tuned all the way to the end so you don't miss out. One of the coins that has been going against the grain is the Pancake token, and the reason for this is they just had a migration. There's a lot being built over on pancakeswap, and if you click on the IFO, this is where, well, there's been some changes. There's actually a new cake pool, and you can see the cake pool, the flexible APY is 80%. Now they're going to have something called locked APY. This to me is a game changer for this token because people will have to lock in cake tokens for a certain amount of time. Now, I'm assuming that they will have a higher APY for this, which will make it even more lucrative for those who stake their cake tokens for a longer time. So right now, cake has actually been doing fairly well compared to what it was doing. If we take a look at the chart here, cake is sitting right at about the 40 to 50 mark. Here it is right here, up 16% for the week. And if we click and look at the chart, you can see that this has definitely had a rough go. You can see all the way from the $44 mark, definitely came down $25 a cake token, and then all the way back down to $5 a token back in March. Since then, though, it has approximately doubled in price. And this is where, to me, this could either range sideways, or with the new updates and news, this one could definitely come back a little bit higher. But again, this cryptocurrency coin to me is lucrative because you not only get to buy the crypto, and if it goes up, that's fantastic because it's down a lot from its all-time high, but also you're earning even when the market is trading sideways or in this channel. If you just had $1,000 in cake, which is approximately 100 cake, you would earn over $800 a year. That's literally $2 a day. That might not sound like a lot, but hey, coffee's on cake if you actually just buy $1,000 worth of this and stake it for the long run. And within a week, you would earn 15 bucks, and within 30 days, that's $65. Hey, that's a decent dinner just for holding your cryptocurrency coins. Now, again, this coin can go up or down from the time of this recording. My point is like, where else are you going to get 80% on your money on a cryptocurrency coin just for staking it here in the cake pool? And you can see here on pancakeswap's Twitter, it says ween, which means when, which means when is the locked APY coming? It is coming very, very soon. In fact, they are teasing this to be available April 25th, which is in 3 days from the time of this recording. Now, another thing I wanted to share with you, which I shared with you in our NFT video. Again, a big shout out if you did watch our 3 million NFT video, because I talked about this in that video, how these Pancake Squad NFTs have been getting soaked up like crazy. crazy. The lowest right now is 11 BNB. You can see that's close to $4,500, $1,000 higher than what it was when I talked about that video just a few days ago. So congratulations if you've been taking action, and if you did mint any of these, the floor price now is $4,500. This was an NFT project that I shared here on YouTube and exclusively in my online class, and many of my students who did mint any of these are now in wild profits. So congratulations if you did mint a pancakeswap NFT and you were able to get in early on these, because you are sitting on literally more than 10x profits. And speaking of even more profits, Moonbirds is sitting at a floor price of 29.9 right now. The activity has been going absolutely crazy. This is another project that I did share with you, and it's going to be really interesting to see how this develops. And let me know down below in the comments, would you like to see a public profile of all of my NFTs and which ones I own personally? If you would, let me know, and let me know which NFTs I should buy. So now let's talk about the ultimate cryptocurrency exit strategy. To me right now, you can see that we are bouncing around, and the best time to sell is at euphoria or a peak. The problem is knowing exactly when that was. Back here in November, the greed and fear index was high. It was in the greed. Right now, it is actually red, fearful. Again, buy the red, sell the green. You think it would be super easy to do this, but the problem is it is difficult. And this is why holding for the long term is where you can get exponential gains. Let me share with you an example of this. Over the last year, you can see Bitcoin has been right in this range, up and down, up and down, up and down. But if you were to go back, literally over a year or two ago, Bitcoin was trading at $4,000 during March of 2020. Again, it had a nice move from 10,000 all the way down to 4,000. Everyone is anticipating something very similar to happen again here. If that does happen, and it's really, really fearful and really, really red, well, I think you can kind of figure out if that's a good decision or not. But please understand, this is not financial advice. I'm just a YouTuber sharing with you the charts and the data. You need to do your own research, and you should never risk more than you can afford to lose. But my point is, if you were to go back years ago, Bitcoin was at 10,000. In fact, it went all the way up to 20,000 before being rejected, went back up to 20,000, and then off to the races we went. And this is what has continued to fuel this entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. A lot of the cryptocurrency coins in the long run will not make it, the altcoins. However, Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of these other cryptocurrencies will make it, and that's where you can make these life-changing gains. So what is the exit strategy then? Well, there's simply a quote that says, if you would not hold the cryptocurrency for 7 years, you shouldn't hold it for 7 minutes. And that to me is telling you everything. Are you a long-term investor or are you a short-term investor? If you're a long-term investor, you got nothing to worry about here. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the gains as they come in the next few years, potentially when the next bull market starts. Or maybe it'll start once we break 51,000 here and we're back up to all-time highs, and maybe at the end of the year we hit 100,000. That's always a possibility, but it's looking like it's going to go down more likely than go up at this time. So we don't know, nothing has been confirmed yet, but if you are a trader, somebody who wants to get in and out, use the data that you have right here, make those decisions, and also you can play both sides of the fence. I like to do that sometimes. I like to have a hodl portfolio and a trading portfolio. That way I can be more active, and these are your exit strategies, but have a strategy. That's the key here. Long-term exit strategy means you're not going to touch it for years. Short-term exit strategy means you're going to jump in and jump out and depend upon these new videos and news, new altcoins, and your goal is to double, triple your money, move it into USDC, pay some bills, and then you're off to the races. So let me know down below in the comments, which exit strategy do you plan on using? Also, what do you think about the NFTs and altcoins right now in this market? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? And if you want to join us in VIP and become a VIP paratrooper, make sure to watch the next part of this video, as I'll be sharing with you even more. In fact, if you just come down to my website, you can see how I made over $250,000 within 1 week just trading altcoins. And if you are interested in joining our online class, click the links down below. Many of my students have done wildly well with the strategies I've been teaching you here on this channel, as well as what is going on in our group. We have a special Discord group, as well as more than 3,000 other students have enrolled today. Again, education is the key, and we can't wait to see you in class. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in our next videos. If you want to continue learning with me here on YouTube for free, check out my cryptocurrency playlist. I have multiple 100x gem videos, 3 coins to 3 million, educational tutorials, and so much more. And make sure to check out the next video. I handpicked it just for you.